it's Gardening with Liz. I'm here today at the Mountain View High School Organic Orchard, and we're going to talk again about fruit tree health. So here is a peach tree that's been here for a couple years, and I just want to point out that somebody forgot to take the tag off this poor little tree, which is now asphyxiating the top branches of the tree. You can see how these branches have much more flowers and buds on them, whereas everything above where this string got left is sort of choking. So when you're staking your trees, the baby trees are going to come with these small stakes, but after a couple years you have to switch it out to a larger stake and make sure you take off any strings that might choke or damage your tree trunk. When you put in your new larger stakes, you want to use a big soft string, or you're going to put something to protect your tree, like a little piece of fabric. You could use like a recycled old jacket or an old sock. Anything that'll protect the string from cutting into the bark of the tree that can cause disease and can damage the tree or can cause this sort of choking and asphyxiation. So now I'm going to show you guys how to stake the tree. So now that you've seen how to successfully stake an adult healthy fruit tree, you can see that we put the strings in 3 different locations to distribute the weight, so not all the weight of the tree is going onto one branch. That'll support overall tree health, and we won't have to do this again for several years. And you saw it took 3 people, so this is definitely more than a one-person job. So if you have trees at home, you're gonna need a helping hand. If you have more questions, feel free to send me an email through our website or through Instagram, Eco Urban Gardens. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.